60, where young people turn passion into purpose and ideas into action. My name is Yavita, and this is the concluding part of the final day. It's time for the closing ceremony, and the energy is high.
Let's go. Produce it, process it, distribute it. I go make the dough just to feed my own. I go do it.
And now we're going to speak to some of the participants of the Ghana Growth Empower 360 program. I'm going to start with our beautiful lady. I see that you worked in the tie and dye. You were in the tie and dye craft group, right? Because I can see the tie and dye on your head boldly and proudly. How did you find this week? What is one thing that you learned about yourself the entire week?
So for this week, I learned that teamwork is very, very key. Because I remember when we were, our madam taught us the pattern. She told us that we should teach ourselves. Those who couldn't do it, they should teach the others. And personally, I was struggling with the marbling design because I was finding it difficult to have my hands on the fabrics by drawing them. And countless times I had my colleagues coming back like, no, Bridget, you need to take it from this side, you need to take it. And then by listening to them, I noticed that it helped, and it helped me improve on that particular pattern. I remember there was also another occasion where I was feeling a bit tired because the tie and dye making is not easy. It was very tedious, but I had my team members who were like, no, Bridget, we need to finish this up, so let's quickly get your energy back and then let's do this. So teamwork today, I learned, is very key in every aspect of life or business.
That's amazing. And I want to know, my beautiful, you're so beautiful. Hey! What have you learned about yourself from the time you joined till now? You know, when you're usually when you're joining competitions or programs, you know yourself already, but then you realize that there are certain changes along the way. What are the changes that you have noticed about yourself since joining the Empower 360 program?
Okay, the things I've noticed about myself is when I was coming, I thought it was going to be a boring thing, like something that if I learn it, I can't even use it. But I realized that I'm fooling myself. By the time I came here, like everything was so perfect. Everything was so good. So I'm so glad and I'm happy. If they call me here again, I will come over and over again.
You'll be given certificates, right?
Yeah.
And these certificates, what does it mean for you?
It means a lot. It means a lot. It means a lot because the reason why I said that you can't just do something without a proof. Do you get it? So it means a lot to me. It means a lot. I can use it to help others, to help those who are ready to learn it. Yes.
Yeah. And for you, what does the certificate mean to you?
I think this certificate is an evidence of my work to prove to people that indeed I had the training. I'm not just doing any buga, sorry to say, tie and dye, but this is actually a tie and dye that I'm certified in. So it's something that is going to add more value to my business.
What's up? How are you feeling?
I'm feeling excited.
You're feeling excited?
Yeah, and bossy cry.
Hey, sir. Yes. You're feeling bossy. Okay, purr. All right, so I just want to know, when you were coming into this program, the first day you got here and now, what are the changes you've seen about yourself?
Okay, I see myself to be a great person now, yes, because I've acquired some knowledge that I never thought of, yes.
And they've taught you so much about branding, how to talk to your customers, to give great customer experience. How do you think you're going to deal with your future customers based on this experience you've had?
I think I'll be able to manage my customers if I go on an extra mile. Like whatever is on the market, I add more value to mine. I make mine seen more, my visible and my more available in the market.
If anybody is watching us right now, what would you tell them? Anybody that wants to enroll into the program, what would you tell them?
To you out there watching me, If you are a female, you are welcome. If you're a person with disability, you are most welcome because Ghana Growth has a whole lot of opportunities for us in all aspects, globally, all aspects in the world. Whatever you want to learn, just come in with yourself, and we will help you with your future dreams, whatever you want to become. Thank you.
And now we've got Francisca and Ellen. I'm going to have a short conversation with them. Francisca, again, is see one hour chimu aye jumedi a rain feeder.
Okay. The mechanic say, Empabuana chance no, and then the finishing no. To be frank, me rain feeder. Me rain feeder because very interesting. Many just say me to me, Esian Pabua, aye ni ye. I'm obi akasa my yard. Many je pa. Management sa moment in it here. Me rain feeder.
Ellen, now swear.
The mean so many can say me buy the way I see me ankasa me colleagues be more share ya socialize no na many can and I feel so empaboa na ye twi hu na grinding no and na ye din aha nti and me rain feeder nti ano no so wan twi ya be say empaboa no nti me rain feeder
Na Ellen, day na ube catch nkofo no mo ta say ejumedi echi nkofo no mo ma jumedi kra isi no then na ube catch them.
ye be catch Ghana Growth any Empower 360 ni say nyankopon onsure mo bebre no ma omo ahode omo betimi di uptie emabru echi na omo mfa programs ni bebre emra na obia so emesua bi Ghana Growth Hope Day.
And now we're going to speak to one of our trainers from one of the Ghanaian brands that we're partnering with, Habarata, right? Yes. I got it right?
Yes, you got it right.
So I just want to know, it's been a week of teaching these participants about the tie and dye business, about the fashion industry in Ghana. How has the entire experience been like?
Okay, so in the beginning, I didn't know what to expect. But after the first day, I realized that it was a really interesting experience. Yeah. And so the girls were very serious with the training. And by the second day, everybody had kind of adapted to it. So on the first day, some people were kind of skeptical about it. Am I really interested in this? Am I really going to make it? And I'll say by the fifth day, we were all like family. Everybody was excited to go and start their work and all of that. Yeah.
From the moment on the first day where a lot of people were perceptive about the what they were going to do till Friday, where we're all like in high spirits, high energy, was there ever a time where you had issues with some of the participants, whether they made the work difficult for you? Was it hard for some of them to understand the tenets of the job?
So I'll say the first day I was trying to explain to them. And I think, so because it wasn't the practical aspect, everybody was like, hey, these terms are big, or, you know, that kind of thing. So I think, so that was the only time that we experienced something like that.
To any or anybody watching us, especially the youth watching us right now, would you advise them to take opportunity of, the Ghana Growth Empower 360 program to, enroll themselves in it, and you're very sure that they're going to learn something from it?
So in this day and age, I'll say that skills are very important. Skills are really important. And so I already train people in this. Yeah. And people pay a lot of money to learn skills. People pay a lot of money now to learn skills. So for you to get something like that for free, I would advise everybody to take advantage of it.
The products that Habarata does, how can anybody watching us get in contact with you if they want to get some of the tie and dye fabrics or a beautiful outfit like yours? How do they get in touch with you?
So we are on all social media platforms. We are on LinkedIn, we are on TikTok, we are on Facebook, we are on Instagram, we are on Pinterest as well. So every social media, you just type Habarata and you'll find us there.
Guys, you've heard about it. This is one of our partners for the Ghana Growth Empower 360 program, Habarata, where she taught them, tenets about the fashion industry, how to handle the tools that come with the tie and dye business. And there you have it. After a week, we're ready to have tomorrow's leaders high in spirit, and ready to take over the world. Don't forget, if you want to be a part of this program, simply dial *917 *50# or you can call the Springboard call center on the number 0308 255 775.
This vacation, give your team more than just a break. Give them the tools to lead, speak, and innovate. Teenpreneurship 2025. It's a powerful 5-day experience happening from Monday 11th to Friday 15th August at Osu Ebenezer Presbyterian Hall. It's designed for teens between 12 to 17 years. From pitching bold ideas to industry visits, talent shows, and fun challenges, this is where growth meets good fun. Call 0308-255-775 to register now for free. Limited slots available. You can follow us on all our social media platforms at Ghana Grows and on YouTube at Springboard Channel. Teenpreneurship is brought to you by Springboard Roadshow Foundation in partnership with MasterCard Foundation. Teenpreneurship 2025. Next is now.
And now we've got one of the facilitators from one of the Ghanaian brands that we've partnered with for this exciting edition of Ghana Grows Empire 360. And she's from Safe Haven. Now, I just want to know, how was the experience like teaching our participants about food, the food industry? How was the experience like?
I must say that it's been life transforming, even for myself. The enthusiasm that the students exhibited, and then the kind of zeal they were willing to use to learn whatever it's there for them to learn. I think that it's been amazing, and it made my work more easier, because when you have people that are willing and ready to learn, and then you're able to also give your all, so that they'll be able to acquire the necessary skills that there is with regards to this particular training that we are having.
During this 1 week training, what would you say was the quote-unquote most difficult part of it?
I think that it has to do with the whole items. I mean, prepping, putting things together to be able to do what you want to do. It's been quite, because we have just few days, and then we had limits. We had, how do I even say, like, you had target to meet, and so you have to make sure that you are up and doing. There's no dull moment. Every day you wake up and there's something you would have to do. That's been quite difficult, but like I said, because I had students who were very ready and willing, it made it much more easier and worth it.
And now that you're saying that it made it much more easier and worth it, if there's anybody looking at us, watching us right now, what would you say to them? Anybody that is interested in joining the Empire 360 program, what would you tell them?
Just one thing. I think that you should be ready always, because this is an opportunity that cannot pass you by once you have access to it. It's an opportunity that I don't know, especially with my students, they realize that this one is an opportunity that they can't joke with. This one is a golden opportunity. I want to say thank you to Springboard Roadshow Foundation and MasterCard for bringing this wonderful initiative. If you're out there and you have the opportunity to come onto this project, please don't relax on it. You would have to be on your toes. You would have to run and then come and learn these skills to be able to also empower yourself wherever you are.
You've heard it all. Run and enroll yourself in this program, because you would be able to, help yourself. It's better to get something, and that is what the Ghana Grows program is all about. Remember, if you want to be a part of this program, you can simply dial *718 *50#, or you can call or WhatsApp the Springboard call center on the number 0308 255 775. Thank you so much, Safe Haven.
Thank you too.
Aye. As the curtains close, new dreams begin. These young people are ready not just with skills, but with strength, courage, and purpose. What an incredible journey this has been. In just 5 days, we have seen raw ideas turn into real skills and quiet confidence grow into bold purpose. Our participants came in with curiosity, and they're leaving with courage, creativity, and a clear sense of direction. But most importantly, they have learned to believe in themselves. A big thank you to MasterCard Foundation and the Springboard Roadshow Foundation for investing in the dreams of Ghana's youth. And to our incredible trainers from Ahofade, Habarata, TETD Handmade, and Safe Haven, Thank you for showing these young people what is possible when skill meets vision. This is Ghana Grows Empower 360. My name is Yavita, and yes, Ghana Grows Hope Day.